Hi everyone, welcome to the sixth pitching forum of theater for raising unemployment. Sorry. We are live now. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to Zagreb, Croatia, the sixth workshop of theater pitching for employment. Participants from Turkey and Greece will present or pitch their ideas on how to solve unemployment and disability. Enjoy. Rabia from Turkey.
Hi everybody. In a rapidly changing society, entrepreneurship competence is essential to get employed. So European Union has developed entrepreneurship framework competence to explain this competence. My idea is preparing short training videos for disabled people to improve this competence. Since attention span of today's people are very short, 5-minute bite-sized learning videos will be prepared for improve this skill. Let's bite entrepreneurship competence altogether. Thank you.
Ayfer from Turkey.
Hi. Einstein says that it's harder to crack prejudice than an atom. What makes an employer become oppressor or disabled person become oppressed? It's prejudice and really hard to crack it. My idea is to organize drama action workshops for early school children to bring disabled and non-disabled children together and let them know each other better. Let's prevent prejudice before it occurs instead of trying to create it.
Kiki from Greece.
This year, Kiki-san is bringing help beyond the hair washing. Our best-selling products.
Hi everybody. Specific techniques of theatre, total legislative theatre, will be used in education system, in teams with disabled people, and also to the labor market. All these will be changed the society politics, transforming and promoting change of spectators to active citizens and their desires into laws.
Ilias from Greece.
Welcome to our School for Gifted Youngsters. In our state-of-the-art facilities, all disabilities are evaluated and valued. Show us your disability and we will teach you your superpower. With help from our extensive courses, you will use this superpower to be a part of the society you need, not the society you thought you deserve. Together, we will be the reason for society to no longer hate or fear us.
Vasiliki from Greece.
Are you tired of being treated like a medieval peasant? Do you want to be seen like the royalty you truly are? Then come join King George's coaching classes today. No more disappointing job interviews because you're lacking confidence or a limb. We will teach you how to present yourself with style.
Yanis from Greece.
EU cares for you. Are you a disabled person who got tired because nobody heard your voice? No more. This EU program creates new offices all over European Union for you. We need disabled people to work in these offices and propose their solutions for them. So you think it, you do it, EU follows. Apply now at careforyou.eu for a better European Union to be finally a union.
Christina from Greece.
Are you an employer in search of new employees? Come to Alternative Interview, a theatre workshop funded by the European Union where employers and people with disabilities can participate in an alternative job interview. In the end of the workshop, choose someone to hire and the EU will pay their salary for a whole year. Face the disabilities and make them opportunities.
And finally, Stavros from Greece.
Look at me. I cannot hear you, but I can see you better than me. Look at me. I cannot hear you, but I can see you better than you. Look at me. I cannot walk, but my hands
Thank you for joining us on this rainy day. Bye-bye.